How are we doing, folks? James Barr here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Today I have this 2015 BMW 1 Series 116 DSE. It comes in this metallic paint finish with the iconic BMW kidney grille up front. The BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres. The sporty body kit lining. The BMW shark fin antenna aerial on top. The rear spoiler. Rear parking sensors. This car is also fitted with class row rear seats, just to give you even more trunk space. Now, folks, let's take a quick look at the interior. Now, folks, that we're inside, you can see the multifunctional BMW sports steering wheel, the BMW teleservice, the automatic transmission, the BMW iDrive system on board, air conditioning. The interior comes in a black Dakota leather with a silver trim. This car is fitted with a sports mode, comfort mode, and an Eco Pro mode. Also on board are fully electric windows, automatic lights, rain sensing wipers, wireless Bluetooth connection, the BMW SOS service system, and many other extras. Now that's just a quick look around this this 2015 BMW 1 Series 116 DSE 5-door. If you have any questions about this car or any other car in our fleet, please feel free to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.